everyone, my name is Ananya and I work with the product team at The Deconstruct, and today I'm going to talk to you about breakout control serum and how you can include it in your morning and nighttime routine. Now, if you're new to Deconstruct skincare platform, do not forget to bash the subscribe button down below. Azelaic acid is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It keeps the acne-causing bacteria in check and also reduces redness and inflammation. It breaks down keratin that can clog pores. It can also treat hyperpigmentation to fade away your acne scars and acne marks. Potassium acylyl diglycinate is a superior derivative of azelaic acid and it inherits all of its beneficial properties. Unlike azelaic acid, it is water soluble and has a lower pH, which makes it suitable for all skin types. Our breakout control serum is perfect fit to reduce acne, acne scars, sebum production and also acne marks. Well, let's start with how to apply breakout control serum. First, apply 2 to 3 drops onto your dry skin after cleansing. Gently pat it onto the skin until absorbed. Follow up with moisturizer and sunscreen. Use daily to prevent acne, and it can also be used as a spot treatment. Now is my favorite part. You can use breakout control serum with exfoliating serum to get even skin tone and a clear pores. Apply exfoliating serum evenly on the clean and dry skin, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for not more than 10 minutes. Wash it off with cold water and follow up with breakout control serum for best results. Do not forget to put on your moisturizer and sunscreen. Follow this routine twice a week. How to use breakout control serum in the PM routine. Our suggestion is to layer it with the pore control serum to get the best results and the clearer pores. Apply pore control serum 2 to 3 drops onto the dry skin after cleansing. Use your fingertips to spread it evenly across your face until absorbed. Apply breakout control serum, let it absorb and follow with moisturizer. Now, many of you have asked us if we can use breakout control serum every day. So the answer is yes, the breakout control serum can be used every day and it can also be used as spot treatment. Other question that you guys must be having, if breakout control serum is suitable for all skin types. So the answer is yes, breakout control serum is suitable for all the skin types. Even if you have whiteheads, blackheads, or if you want to treat acne, breakout control serum is to go for. Remember, if you have never used any actives before, the breakout control serum may also cause purging. So our recommendation is to take it slow and also start with the patch test first. So that's it for me. If you have any other question regarding our ingredient, product or skincare routine, you can let us know in the comments down below. And until next time, bye-bye.